In this video, I'm going to show you how to track all communications with a client in one place. If you're juggling emails, phone calls, and meetings with multiple clients, this is going to save you a lot of time and stress. Stick around because I'll also share a secret tool that will make tracking client communication super easy, and I'll give you an exclusive free trial to it at the end. Let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is centralize everything. You don't want to be jumping from your email to your phone to your calendar every time you need to follow up with a client. The key is to use one place where you can store and access all conversations. This means syncing emails, texts, calls, and meetings in one location. Start by picking a software that offers an integrated communication hub. The software we'll be using today does exactly this. It consolidates all communication in a way that's easy to manage and organize. Now, once you have your software, you can start by syncing your email. Make sure your software connects with Gmail, Outlook, or whatever email service you're using. This allows you to see all client emails in the same place, right alongside your other communications. Next, connect your messaging app or phone system to your software. With our software, you can integrate everything from calls to text messages. This way, any call you make or receive from a client gets logged automatically, along with any notes you make during the call. What about meetings? Don't worry, most client communication software lets you sync your calendar as well. That means all your Zoom, Google Meet, or in-person appointments get logged and stored right alongside emails and calls. You'll have a timeline of everything that's been discussed, no matter the communication method. Another awesome feature of the software is the ability to add notes and track follow-ups. For example, after a call, you can add detailed notes on the discussion, next steps, or reminders. You can even set tasks or reminders for follow-up, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. So you've got emails, calls, and meetings tracked, but the real magic happens when everything is searchable. With the software we're using, you can search any keyword, client name, or even the date of a conversation, and find exactly what you need in seconds. No more digging through multiple apps or inboxes to find a message or note. Before I wrap up, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we've been talking about. The link is in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. This will let you follow along and start tracking all your client communications in one place. Now, here's the key takeaway. You need a central place to track all your communications with clients. It's the best way to stay organized and on top of your follow-ups. With the right software, you can make it easier than ever to keep everything in one spot. Quick recap. First, centralize all your communications, emails, calls, texts, and meetings. Second, use a software that integrates everything into one place, where you can easily add notes and track follow-ups. Finally, make sure you're using a searchable system to find what you need quickly. Don't forget, click the link in the description to get your exclusive free trial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.